With 69% of American adults having less than $1,000 in their account, saving up to $10,000 within 12 months could be challenging. Even though it might seem intimidating initially, achieving financial success with dedication and determination is possible. It may seem unachievable when you're starting from scratch. However, there have been numerous accounts of people achieving this goal by taking some basic steps. Hi there. Welcome to Financial Flipside. We're here to introduce you to the personal finance world. We have everything from budgeting tips to understanding and tackling financial problems. To stay up to date with our content and videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Now let's dive into the different basic steps to achieve your savings goal of $10,000. The first basic step is to keep your money out of easy reach to avoid impulsively spending it. Figuring out how to generate revenue is one step in the process. The next is deciding where to allocate it. Two main options are available when it comes to keeping and using the money you have. A high-interest savings account is a great way to ensure your money earns something even when it's unused. With this type of account, you can earn 1 to 2% on that money each year. It is possible to ensure a part of your salary is moved straight into another account, or you can also opt to have a specific amount taken out from your account every month. For those comfortable with taking risks, investing in the stock market is worth considering if you do not foresee needing to access the money anytime soon. Investing in individual stocks is not recommended since most people tend to underperform in the market and end up losing money. On the other hand, an index fund has historically provided returns of around 10% over the last century. Adopting an automated investment system can be a great way to take advantage of compound interest while saving. It is easy to implement and much less stressful, allowing you to focus your energy on other aspects of life. Plus, it requires no effort on your part once set up. Second, write your goals and stay focused. Having a physical note or reminder of your goals and ambitions is always helpful. Writing them down on sticky notes and pasting them in places you will constantly see can be beneficial if you want to follow these plans. This allows us to stay focused on our targets, whether an effective diet plan or savings goals, instead of letting the idea fade away. Like everyone, we sometimes fail at achieving our goals. Most of this is due to a lack of motivation and prioritizing other things over the goal in question. However, if you consciously try to write down your objectives, you are more likely to make them a reality, with an increased chance of 42%. Invest a few moments to understand the significance of this for you. Will it help you manage your finances better? Will it decrease your levels of stress? If you lose your job, will it keep you from being in debt? Achieving your money-related goals can have a huge impact on your life. Whether it's reducing debt, investing, or something else, understanding the reason behind setting that goal is key. Make sure to write down why you want to pursue this goal and put it somewhere easily accessible. A few individuals regularly apply temporary tattoos of motivational quotes or objectives, which remain visible for about 6 months. This is a compelling reminder to stay on track with their daily goals. Having your goals written down and placed in various parts of your house can give you a daily reminder of what you want to achieve. Furthermore, immersing yourself in related content that motivates and inspires you can make reaching those goals seem that much more achievable. With adequate motivation and consistency, you can achieve your fitness goals, possibly even as much as 42%. However, this number can rise significantly if you stick with the program and break the monotonous cycle many often follow when working out. Hi there! We hope you're having fun watching this video. Show your support by liking and sharing our content. Subscribing to our channel will keep you up to date with the latest financial knowledge. Subscribe to learn more about in-depth topics like this one. Don't miss out! Let's continue learning about effective money-saving tips. Third basic step, take advantage of a side hustle. If you are facing a financial crunch, using a side hustle, which is a part-time job outside of your regular job, can help make extra money to cover your needs. Some people did this when they first started and didn't have enough income. Although having side jobs can be difficult, it is important to find enjoyment in the experience. It is important to save all earnings that come from sideline activities. YouTube, in particular, is an excellent example of this. Many people have found success with it, and some have even made it their full-time job. Other than the typical 9-to-5 job, there are other fun and profitable side hustles that you can start. Doing so requires minimal effort and time investment, but can have huge financial rewards. Examples of such include flipping items on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. With a bit of research, this task can be relatively straightforward. You'll have various couches and tools to choose from, making it enjoyable. If you enjoy looking for deals and finding new solutions, this activity can be highly rewarding with minimal difficulty. You can make a surprisingly decent income from cleaning other people's houses with your own cleaning supplies. Depending on the size and condition of the house, you could easily earn up to $75 per hour for a relatively easy job. Although it isn't always the most exciting type of work, it is a viable way to make extra money in your spare time. Another fun side hustle is TikTok. Just one of the many social media platforms where countless individuals have made a successful business. By investing time into regularly creating content, these people have generated hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month. The key to success when monetizing your hobbies and passions is dedication and commitment to stick with it. If you love what you do and are genuinely interested in the topic, you can quickly turn your hobbies into a money-making venture by teaching online courses or even in-person workshops. All it takes is time and effort. But that investment will surely pay off in the long run. If you're looking for extra income sources, you should check out one of our videos that discusses 10 legitimate and reliable ways to maximize your online earnings. This will be linked in the description box. These methods are easy to follow and can greatly boost your overall income. We go over everything you need to know to get started, so be sure to watch it if you're interested in taking advantage of other side hustles. Fourth step to keep in mind: a budget is not necessary. If it does not fit one's lifestyle, having one is not a must. Different people have different financial mindsets. While some like to adhere to a strict budget, others prefer a more flexible approach. It all comes down to personal preference. If that is something you are interested in, it is still great, and there are plenty of good ways to do that, which can be very helpful, but it is really not necessary. Fifth basic step: when uncertain, be wise with spending. Practicing smart spending habits effectively improves one's financial position in the long run while providing substantial short-term benefits. Taking the time to assess big purchases, scrutinize monthly expenses, and focus on needs rather than wants can help one make smarter decisions regarding finances and ultimately lead to a more secure financial future. Well, that is super important and super helpful. It can be more efficient and have a quicker impact to start saving money. Achieving the goal of $10,000 may sound intimidating. However, when divided into a monthly amount of $833, it becomes much more manageable. Breaking it even further, this only amounts to $27.40 daily. Still sound a lot? Try to see this breakdown. Making coffee at home instead of grabbing a cup from the coffee shop can save you approximately $3 daily. Similarly, refraining from purchasing clothes that are not essential could help you save up to $150 every month, or roughly $5 every day. Preparing food and carrying water from home to work instead of going out to eat lunch, that can save you around $10 per day. Additionally, canceling one unused subscription could save you $12 per month or 40 cents per day. Eating out less will save you $125 a month or $4 a day. All you need to do is make an effort to earn $5 daily from your side hustle, and that's it. You're at $27.40. And by making just 5 little decisions every day that the person next to you doesn't make, you'll have $10,000 at the end of the year. Making consistent small decisions over a year can greatly impact your life. It is essential to take the time to make decisions, no matter how small they seem. These choices can have a significant outcome in the long term, so make sure every choice you make is successful and in line with your objectives. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. If you liked it, be sure to show your support with a like and share it with your friends and family. To stay on top of financial matters, subscribing and hitting the notification bell is highly recommended. This way, you'll be among the first to know when new content is released.